Have you ever felt a deep pull towards yoga? Something just beyond the asanas, and you have seen a lot of yoga TTC ads also, and you might think, is this ad for me? Is this a calling for me and all? So in this very video, I am going to share 5 signs that you can actually note it down if you are ready for a yoga TTC, a yoga teachers training course or not. तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं. First, you want to deepen the practice. See, this is the first sign that you should just sign up for a yoga TTC. Now, you might have feel that just attending the yoga classes for fitness is not your goal anymore. You want to know the why behind each and every asanas. You want to know the why behind each and every yoga philosophy. If this comes to your mind every time you practice or every time you are on your mat, then this is your calling that yes, TTC is the perfect actually call for you. TTC मैं बोल रही हूँ, any other yoga courses also. Second, yoga practice or your practice has changed you completely. When I say this, what I mean is that the yoga practice now feels like a safer place for you or the safest place for you. I don't know मैं ये समझा पा रही हूँ कि नहीं. I will just tell you by my own experience only. I have practiced with a lot of yoga teachers, okay, till now. मैं जब कॉलेज में थी तो हमारे कॉलेज में भी सुबह सुबह योगा क्लासेस होते थे, but I was never comfortable anywhere. I don't know, एक मतलब अंदर से नहीं आता था कि I should go there or I should come here to practice and all. Then I found my teacher, Paromita ma'am. I attended her first class and I don't know what inside me changed. She just provides or offers a safe place for each and everybody. Each and everyone's voice is heard in her classes, and from then till now I am still her student. I will always be her student, and I know how much my yoga practice, my opinion towards yoga has changed after I became her student. And what I feel that when the student is ready, the teacher appears. Okay, so I feel a pull to attend her classes. I feel a pull always to listen to what she is speaking in the classes, apart from the yoga alignments, yoga cues and all. And I think this should be your calling also. If you feel something like that, then yes, you can actually, you should, I think, should go a step ahead, go for a TTC and do the TTC. You will feel a sense of fulfillment in your life. Third, you are curious about yoga beyond asanas also. So topics like Sadhak Tattva, Badhak Tattva, Mitahar, or topics from Gheran Samhita, from Patanjali Yoga Sutra and all, if these topics actually pulls you and you want to really know and learn what are the yoga philosophy, what our texts are saying us, then yes, you should go a step ahead, enroll for a TTC, and you will get all your answers there. And from there, the Swadhyaya or the self-learning path actually starts. Fourth, you feel called to share yoga. See, you don't have to be the most flexible person to become a yoga teacher. That's a myth. Okay, if you feel that your yoga practice, your yoga experience is worth sharing with the world, then please go for a yoga TTC. You will find your tribe eventually. And when I am saying this, I mean it. You all are my tribe. When I say something in my video, you all actually appreciate it, listen to it, and just apply it in your life. And then I get a lot of feedbacks. I get a lot of messages on Arogyam's Instagram that I follow your videos. They are so helpful. They are so full of knowledge and all. Thank you for that and everything. Messages like this. So if you feel that yes, your experience is worth sharing, please go ahead, enroll for a TTC, finish your TTC and start sharing your knowledge, your experience with others also. Eventually, you will build your own community. And trust me, it's all worth it at the end. Fifth, you are ready to invest in yourself. See, when I say this, TTC is not just a certification course. I have done 29 TTCs till now, and I can say it loud enough that every TTC has given me a lot of different experiences in life. I have learned a lot of life lessons from this 29 TTCs. I have met a lot of amazing group of people from this 29 TTCs. Some stayed, some went ahead, but I learned a lot. And this is worth experiencing, worth investing. If you want to feel something like that, go ahead, enroll for a TTC. At Aarogyam, our TTCs are not just certificate courses. We actually treat you as humans. We actually value your emotions, your experience, your goals and everything. And then we go ahead with you. And when I say you are a part of our family, I actually mean it. You become a part of our family when you enroll for our TTC, and I myself, I invest so much of my time and energy in just giving guidance to the students, taking classes all by myself. I do it because I really know that if somebody has trusted me by enrolling for my TTC, it's my responsibility to be there with them throughout their journey. If you want to experience all of this, you can consider joining our online yoga TTC. We are affiliated under the Indian Yoga Association. If you are already a yoga teacher and you want to get mentorship or guidance from us, you can enroll for our weekly online yoga workshops also. To enroll for any of this, you can call our team on this very number and register yourself. I hope this video helped. Thank you.